Stacy with WTI. You probably worked with a traditional rolling pin, but have you ever had a French rolling pin? This awesome one from KARRYOUNG is so versatile, it's really good quality, and it makes bread making a lot more fun. This rolling pin is solid wood, and you can definitely feel that as soon as you take it out of the package. It's a 17-inch size, making it really awesome if you're working with a large amount of dough. It really gives you a lot more control in being able to roll out your dough because you use your hands rather than placing your hands at the end of the rolling pin like a traditional one. I really love that this is such a smooth texture. It feels really durable. It feels well made because of that solid wood feeling, and it's also really easy to clean afterward. I really love that I've been having a lot of fun making different things with my dough using this roller. If you have a recipe that calls for you to roll it out to an inch or even less, this really allows you to get in there and to work with your dough with no problem. If you're looking for a good quality pin that allows you to play around and have a lot of fun baking at home, you need to check this one out. But that's just my point of view.